After years of legal battles, Google and Epic Games have finally reached a settlement, and Android users might be the real winners. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. A deal has been made between Google and Epic Games that could completely transform the Google Play Store, making it almost unrecognizable. The headline is, developers are no longer forced to use Google Play billing. Instead, they can use alternative payment methods and even external links. Plus, Google will allow registered app stores, which means rival app stores can now offer the full catalog of Google Play apps. In other words, Android users are about to get more choice than ever before. On top of that, Google's slashing fees for developers. In-app purchases that give players a competitive edge will now cost 20% for it, while purely cosmetic or extra content purchases drop to just 9%. Subscriptions, non-game apps, and upfront purchases also get the 9% rate. Want to stick with Google Play billing? That'll be an extra 5%, but that's still far lower than the 30% fees developers used to pay. That could mean cheaper apps and in-game purchases for users. The changes aren't limited to the US. They apply globally and remain in effect until June 2032. However, some details are complicated, like the new fee structure only applying to apps installed after October 2025, but still, Google has made major concessions to Epic. Now it's just a matter of the trial judge signing it. If this settlement gets approved, this could be a new era for Android, with more freedom, lower costs, and finally, the kind of choice Apple users have long envied. So, which in-app perk are you buying first? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.